Assalamu alaikum. This video is related to Canva profile setting, and most of the people did not know how to change the setting or how to fill settings. We have discussed in this video. Okay, let's see. There are three main settings that people must know about Canva profile. One is how your profile view as a public profile. Second is how you change your payment method or add payment method in Canva profile. And third, the most important, you can say that, is the profile detail, how to add your profile detail in Canva contributor account. So these three questions we discuss in this video, and complete steps I will show you on this video. So let's start. First is, as you see, this is the home screen of the Canva profile. On the left side you can see the home dashboard. Most of the people said sir, I have a element creator screen. So if you see, there is a side menu on left side, an option called home. You can simply click the home button and you go to the home dashboard, and if you scroll down the list you will get the element creator. The both options available at single screen. Okay, we just go to home screen, and then the main part is your profile view. Okay, let's go to right side, right top corner. You can see your icon, your image or your logo. Simply click it and your drop down menu is shown. There is an option called public profile. Simply click on your public profile. Now you can see your public, for how your profiles look according to public view or as a public. So this is our first step solution, your first solution in this video. And second is the, let's see, second is the payment method, how you add your payment. Most of the people said, sir, I don't see the payment option on the left side. So this is another problem or you can say that this is the another issue most of the people face on Canva contributor account. You simply again go to the right top and go to account setting. Wait for some time. Wait now you can see on the left side there is a menu. On the second last option you can see that the payments method. If you click on payment method, you get your payment method as well as the all time earning are shown on your profile. You can see that. Okay, now most of the people ask me, sir, how we add payment method. I have already made a video on how you add a payment method or your bank account in Canva contributor. You can see the link of the video in the description or even I button. I will share with you. Okay, now go to the third option, which is one second, which is how do you fill your public details or profile detail. Okay, now again you can see that there is an option on the left side. On the left top option is your account. Click on your account and you can see your profile photo, your name, your email address. What will you do using Canva for OSQL? Next is the language, and then your Gmail account. These are all options you must fill before starting your Canva account. You can see that I have already filled the form. You can simply change the photo or edit the name, edit the email address, edit your using profile as a personal, as a student or as a small business as well. So this video ends at this point. Next video I will explain about how you make new files on Canva contributor, or you can approve your profile within a week or 2 weeks.